show you how you can create some really cool auto replies with certain keywords and phrases. Now, High Level has this amazing feature where you can choose positive or negative intent. However, there might be some times where you're not using a positive or negative intent type reply, and maybe it's something more along the lines of when someone says something like a keyword. For example, here I'm going to use the price, cost, charge, opportunity update zap that I created here. So what I did was I created a zap and I copied this webhook. So choosing a webhook, customize, copy the webhook URL. Actually, let me show you from step. So it's catch hook, then it's customize, and then click copy, and then go create your trigger in High Level, and then create customer reply, and then you can select reply channel, and you can have specific filters like they don't have this tag or it has this tag. So in this case, for this example, I only want this to go to people that do not have a member tag. So now I paste this webhook right here under execute webhook. So now whenever someone replies in general through SMS and they don't have this member tag, Zapier is going to go in and catch that information. So I'll show you what that looks like. Here's an example. It captures that information. Now keep in mind, this is going to fire off every time a reply comes in. However, you have the ability in Zapier to select a filter, and now you can select message body. So when you select the only continue if, you can show all options, type in message, and find the message body, which is right here. You click on that, and now you can say contains cost, or contains cost with a question mark, or contains costs with with an S at the end. And you get where I'm going. Cost with 2 question marks. Then I change it to price question mark. All these different variations of what can trigger this automation that I want to do. So I have all these different variations: how much, charges, whatever you want, right? This is just an example for prices. So whenever someone's not a customer, they're not a member, and they reply something about how much is it or what is the cost, this trigger is going to fire and it's going to look for these conditions. And if it finds it, it will continue. So for example, let's go and right here, you could see it would have continued because it contained price. Obviously, if they just sent something like, I'm not interested, then it wouldn't have even continued because it wouldn't have qualified. It didn't meet the conditions. But anyway, since it actually qualified, it now goes here and I have it add to an opportunity. And this is where you can do anything, right? Add it to an opportunity or add it to a campaign. In this particular case, I have it added to a campaign that is called price cost campaign. And then from there, what ends up happening is campaign. It ends up getting sent to a campaign with a series of messages and so forth. So that's how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. Let us know if you have any questions. You have a great day. God bless.